Good morning, students. Once again, we are here to discuss RDOE worksheet 41 from your chapter Force and Laws of Motion. And today we will discuss about the third law of motion. Okay, according to third law of motion, when one object exerts a force on another object, then the second object also exerts the force back on the first object. Means action and reaction are equal and opposite. If this A object and this is B, if this A object exert the force, not pressure, exert the force on this B, then this B also exert the force to A. This is called as the third law of motion. And according to the third law of motion means what? Action and reaction are equal and in opposite direction. So these two opposite force are equal and opposite in direction. Okay. So first force is called action and the second is called reaction. When we kick the football, this is an example. When we kick the football, we apply an action force on it, and due to which it move away. But sometimes the football may also apply the same force, due to which it may hurt or feel pain. When we hit the football, it moves forward, but sometimes football also apply a force which hit the foot and causes pain. So, according to third law of motion, every action has equal and opposite reaction. Okay, and let us take the example of the spring balance A and B. See, this spring A is connected to this fixed end, and spring B is also attached with this spring A in a horizontal direction. And when we pull the upper and the spring balance B by hand, see this, okay, we notice that reading of force in weight in both the balance is the same. Okay, as this is attached to this and force is applied to this, and this is by stretching this the force is applied in this direction, but the reading of the force remains the same in both opposite direction. In this setup, the amount of action of the force applied by A and B is equal to the reaction of B and A. Again the same thing. In this, if this A applies the force on B, then this B also apply the force on A. Okay. So, and here we have some other examples of law of motion, like get harmed when the player collide with each other. Okay. Next, we can able to walk on the path with the help of this third law of motion. Even recoiling of the gun when the bullet is fired, and moving of an rocket in the direction of ignition. Both the boat move backward when the sailor jump in the forward direction, and bouncing back the player by trampoline when they jumped, and the ball get reflected back when we hit the wall. Okay, and this is all about your today's worksheet. I hope you understand it. Then do like video, share with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you, bache. Take care.